Hello, my people. On a day, I greet the house. Also, on a day, fine. On a do well. As soon as they help me, they share, comment, like. God will bless una. I appreciate una well. My people, this one, I said that our country, nobody want work again. Nobody. Even then, for them to use 1,000 to turn am to 1,500, they know they do. Either they find urgent money, jahu, or they find person house where they want boss, carry wetin dey inside, go use and do wetin. I don't understand some of our people. These two people now, these two boys now, I be two men. I don't know what I go call them. They don't catch them now. They catch them for Lagos. Now Lagos it for happen with fake kind of EFCC. They say they be EFCC. I know what did they do as some of our people? What did they do? They I don't know, because say anything where you like, you feel do for the country. So they the other things and everybody now be mungu. Like all these people now, they not catch them now. I will put the video and I will watch them. I will still put another one where they go thief machine. I will still put that one. And when I go don't meet them now, you will call the ask them, say, how do you feel? They will say, I feel so bad. Nobody want work again. No of them want work. Okay, like all this one now, they don't feel use more money. If you tell them they go do like bouquet, this building of a house, or to help those people where they build them, to carry all this mates, they not go do. They will tell you, say, no, they not get time. They get where they go. But their eye go there, another person money. The money where they not work, their eye go there. We all know say Buhari no good and job no day for the country, not true. But for you to just go there, put your eye for another man property, another man money. Why you not do something? Find something to do. Our country, with our country better pass abroad. No be say better pass and say for another thing to do business or to sell something. You understand? If you want to sell something for our country now, you can put something for outside. They sell, but abroad you know fit do one. You know fit do one, because if you not get the license, if you not get the, if they not tell you say you do one, you know fit do one. But wow, you fit they sell something, or you fit they carry like all these Hausa people, they carry sugarcane, they work all these things, they do one. But our place you know fit hawk for this year, you know fit hawk. But Nigeria you fit do one. You fit do one. You fit do many things where you take get money without say you go the thief another person, your eye go open for another person, My brothers and sisters, like this one now, I don't know where they forget the card. They just forge the card, the EFCC card. Like I said, they not cash them now. People they think say na real EFCC na come. They even the card they get them. We wanna foresee how na say forge, how na say do. Hey now wow, that country, Not the way they know they feed the forge, not the way they know feel they do. Thank God say that they catch them. Because you the things say maybe now sometimes now you know they drive they go, you think say now Ogbalegbe, now drive, now they stop you. No say now highway robber, now hold you for them. See these two boys now, another one now when they go thief motorcycle. What do they want use the motorcycle to do? If you give them now, make they say walk, they not walk, they not go do.
Come here, shout. This one, I say I put out for grip. No, you need to carry them up there.
You know what it is? Now they back now.
This one drop from
this one fall on first.
No, this one drop also. This one drop.
This one jump. This one fall on now.
Where Mopo? Where's the Mopo? Where Mopo?
Just secure these people.
Okay. Give me something. See that.
Why are you waiting to leave? What the You don't run. I mean, like this. Me where come do this one, you don't like it like this. You can go stay somewhere for days.
Bro, who sent you here? Eh? Natifo. Who sent you here? Eh? Where do you work? Bro, where do you work? You look familiar.
They won't do this. When you want to do that, believe me.
Where do you work?
You touch your leg.
So why? And who again? Okay, good. And who again? And who? Who is Biadu?
Why can't they deny? I don't know this now. Don't feed yourself.
My people, wanna see the difference between person wey get two leg and who no get, who get only one. Wanna see the struggle way this man they do. We go take survive. You know what, may go thief or may go carry wetin no be. Oh, now see the first video where I said do. This one another video. Wanna stay see the difference. Wanna see? Like this one, if you see her now, your mind go dey tell you say, abeg, give her something, help her. Not be those one wey get the two legs, they get two hands, they no want do anything. Not be person they work so. I'll put the full video, Mona still watch her. Mona see the difference. We all know say Buhari no good. It not repair the country. But we, some of them wey dey there, all their own, now to take your own, join their own. They will even beat you, join yourself, you not take time. The difference is clear. This man now, one leg now he get. See the job where they do. Where want to survive. You no want go look another person, yo. When I see the two different things, and people I put this now if I want the first one, that one and the first one. When I see this one, the thing I say, oh God, see person where get one leg, it is stronger. Where want to eat. Those one, now the one where then they calculate for their brain what thing they want to do. My people, now do well. As soon as they help me take the share, I really appreciate you now. So I will put the other video na the first one. Why this one I be the second one? And then if you now watch and finish, Mona still help me share. Because all these things where our people they do, where they'll don't catch them. They'll come they say, how do you feel? They'll come say they feel bad. Why they not they do this kind of job? If you call them now say they can't do, they will tell you say the cloth where they put for body, not be the one where they say they do this kind of thing. Some people they do this kind of job, but they'll take and say build house. I'll put the video on that. Thank you.
I don't know. What am I? How do you walk now? Now, wow. Nigerians make una dey see you. Person wey get one leg, now they hustle like this. They dig network line. Why people wey get two legs, they beg? This man deserves happiness now. He deserves support. I believe this kind of person go feel do better if he get artificial leg. Even though na keke na pep, he go feel ride. Even minor business, even though na provision, you go feel sell. This thing now when they dig, so no be small something. No be small sufferness with one leg. Why people wear their leg complete, they beg? I beg my friends on Facebook, make una help me share this video. I never beg something like this. For the sake of God, even if now anyhow, make people help. Make I go close to the guy, man, ask him some few questions. I beg. This thing na Magumeri Barracks, Lokoja, Kogi State. Now I see this guy. I see him yesterday as I dey pass. The thing, he really touched me. Now I say make I come back today. I better hold this video for me. My brother, well done. How do you work? How many people are living this city?
Epota kwa ba.
1.1 meter. That's about how many feet? Okay. Well done. With your condition, you dey do this kind of thing. You know easy. Hi. What's your name? Abdul. You don't marry. You get children. All children. Hi. This thing they take help the mother. You see, like with the 4 children, with this kind of hustle. I don't say things hard for everybody. Even me, when they talk like this, I'm a hustler. But, God, see me, my leg, my hand complete. But yet, I don't do this kind of the condition be like this. Yeah? This kind of person deserves happiness. Make people put smile on his face. If me I get waiting it take to help him, I don't go do this video. But at least I do and make una assist. I beg. No matter how late the way it be, make you come out for this kind of place. Which man? Okay. Okay. This driver. So I beg, don't see what
Even though na keke,
bring the
nothing
picture
is.
close. Let me see what this man they work. 3 stone where they inside this place where they break them. See them? Now 1.5 meter this thing they go deep inside ground with all this stone. I beg. Anyhow, make una assist them, I beg. We know say good people there, we go assist anyhow. If me I get waiting it take to help him, I no go do this video. But at least with artificial leg, you go feel ride keke. You go feel do many other minor jobs. We go fetch am money. Because this one they very, very stressful. Why that? This one they very, very stressful. Now in front of Magumeri Barracks, Lokoja, now be this. My brother, I go post this picture. Anyhow, even if you touch anybody, say you go come to your assistance. We go see as you go be. Well done, eh? Thank God say you know they beg. Even some people with their leg complete, their hand complete, they beg. But you no be like that. So God go support you. God go do something. Well done, my brother. I beg, make I give you little what I get. Well, na 5,000 rupees. Manage and like that. You go give us your number. I beg, give me your smartphone. Call am well, now make people hear you. 081 011 58. Yeah? 491. So I beg, when I don't see as it be, show the video, go back that side, make it show and well. When I don't see as it be, I beg, make my see how small. I beg, it's not very easy. It's not very easy. I see this guy yesterday when I go local, they didn't touch me. Because I know, for inside local, there are many people where their leg and hand complete, and they die. So I beg. So when I share the video, make people know to help. Thank you. Thank you, bros.